Hi besties, welcome back to another video. Today we are making some waakye stew, authentic Ghana waakye stew. First we are going to fry our proteins, okay? And these are some beef, chicken, and also some fish, which I have already fried that and set aside for the next stage. So you want to fry these until everything is golden brown, just as you will see next. Okay guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for coming back again to watch another video of mine. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and please stay and let's prepare this to the very end. Okay, you won't regret it. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back. Yes, so you just have to take this from the oil, okay, and then we set it aside. Now we use the same oil. Into it we put in some tomato paste. Also, you want to use enough oil to fry your tomato paste. If you feel this quantity I'm using is too much for you, you can just reduce it, but I prefer to use enough oil to fry my tomato paste. That way you don't get burnt, because if the oil is small, it becomes thick and you may think it's getting burnt or it's well cooked, but it's not cooked properly, so you won't enjoy your stew. Your stew will taste sour. Yes. So after it fried to my preference, I just went in with my blended ingredients, and these are some tomato, pepper, onion, and garlic. It has been pre-boiled, cooled, and then blended into this paste. Okay, you want to stir these, and then you cover this and let it simmer for a few minutes. We want it to cook very well for some time before we move on to the next one. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share if you find this video helpful. Yes, okay, so that it gets to a lot of people and they also benefit from this same recipe you are benefiting from. Okay, I added some curry and also some natural spicy mix. Okay, this is homemade natural spicy mix, and I'll share that with you soon. All right, now we stir this and leave it to simmer for a few minutes. Let's go in with our stock and also our cowhide, which is normally called wele. Okay, you want to stir this and then let it cook. You want it to soak very well into your stew. Yes, you want it to soak very well into your stew so it gets all the juice that comes with the stew. Yes, all right. So now that we have this done, we put in some Maggie cube, and also we added some salt to also taste as well. Make sure you taste the sauce. We don't want too much salt in our food or too little, so just make sure it meets your preference. So now we introduce our fried protein from earlier, and we are going to stir this and also let it simmer for a few minutes so that everything will just soak into the stew and they all release their juice into the stew as well. Yes, we add some onions because I want to see some onions in my stew, just like this, and then we'll also leave this simmer for a few minutes. Okay, and guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Like always, please subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and then ask all of your questions. And do not forget to also follow me on my other social media platform like TikTok and also Instagram. And thank you so much guys, we hit 100,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you on the next one.